I do not know a single person who does not like to have their screens clean, and this is the kind of stuff that drives me absolutely nuts. And it doesn't take much effort to achieve a clean result if you have a combo like this on hand. So this is the EVEO screen cleaner. I have had this particular bottle for well over 5 years. It's about halfway through, and I'm cleaning it very often. And then I also have this microfiber cloth that came in a pack of 3. This is by microfiber. The size here is amazing. This will work great for TVs as well. And the spray actually says to spray directly on the screen, which was kind of weird for me at first, but I just went with it. So here's how I do it. And at first it might seem like it's a lot, but as you continue wiping, you'll notice the streaks are going to go away super quickly, and you'll be left with a perfectly sparkling clean screen. That applies to all kinds of technology, iPads, iPhones, TVs, you name it. You just need to be a little bit careful not to touch it with your fingers as you do it. And look at this. This gives me so much satisfaction. And it only took about 15 seconds to clean it. Seriously, this is it under a different angle, and not even one streak is noticeable. I'm amazed with the results. Look at the amount of fingerprints on this one. Let's go ahead and spray this directly as well. There's the cloth size against the laptop just for size comparison. This is huge, and like as you see here, we haven't even unpacked one of them. This has been enough, and I don't know what the other one is, so there was a pack of 3. This is an amazing combo to have on hand if you want to have your screens clean. I highly recommend it.